How to change server name in Discord. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. So first of all, let's go ahead and open up our Discord application. From here, get logged into your Discord account, and once done, you will see a page like this. Now, in order to change the server name, you have to tap onto the server. You also have to make sure that you are eligible to do that. So make sure that you tap onto your server's name, then you will see your display name. Open it. Then here you will see a settings icon. Tap it. Then go for overview. Under here you will see the server's name. Now in order to change it, first of all, remove all this. Then type in the name or the new name that you would like to add. Once done, you can also go ahead and choose all the settings that you would like to change and tap on save on your top. Once done, refresh your page, and just like that, this is how you can change your name of server in Discord. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then don't forget to like and subscribe.